All right. How do I do this one again? I know I even made a video on it. Okay, so I believe there's two ways to do it, isn't there? So I'm basically going to be pulling a U-turn inside here, and I think I can readjust and I can just back in. Or you basically pull a U-turn in here, come back out again, whoops, come back out again, and then back in, I think. All right, 30 seconds are gone. Okay, so you definitely don't want to be too close to this guy, all right, because the closer you are, the later you have to turn. So see, I can actually turn back here. I don't want to get too close either because I don't want the swing of my truck hitting him. Okay. We're going nice and slow. All right, hard left. Now, I do believe I turned a bit too late with regards to here. That's fine. My trailer is past this truck. So now I can go hard right because I know my swing's not going to hit him now. Obviously, if you're driving in the real world, that's not going to be the case because you're going to be thinking that you're right on top of him. Okay. I think if I turn to the right now, I don't know. Am I going to be able to get in there? Okay, if I go off to the right now, I think I can. All right, so I'm going to show you the other way to do it as well. So yeah, this worked out. Oh, did I hit him? No, I didn't. Okay. Oh, it is okay. I hit the mirror. All right, I guess I'm writing a note on his windshield. All right, let's throw this straight back for just a few feet, and then jackknife again. Roll over the cracked mirror. Now, all right. So this is one way to do it. There's the other way would be actually pulling a U-turn and then coming in from where we just entered. Okay, so again, we could probably I don't think it really matters where you pull the U-turn. Let's keep it nice and wide. Wide, wide, wide. Wide, wide, wide. Oh boy. Okay, there we go, nice and wide. Go down this direction. All right, and I think that will do. Let's just maintain that there. Let's zoom in. We got to get nice and close. If you don't get close to this truck, you've gone too wide. Okay, you just got to watch it because you can't really see your space. Well, we can, but the driver can't. All right. That's another way to do it. I think I'm going to have to do a pull forward here in a second. Maybe. Okay, off to the right. Hard right, that is. Okay, then straight back. Get my steers pointing straight. All right, so that's the other way to do it. Obviously, I think, was that quicker? It doesn't really matter. Again, both of them can be just as quick as the other, depending how fast you're going and how reckless you are. All right, we're in.